ferocious, go give him a dog. I want to buy this car.
Yeah, this one's nice, man.
No, I can buy this car.
This one's nice. This is a fucking fucking Bel
Can I
Air.
drive this?
I don't know.
It's 3 and 3.
Yeah, it's a fucking. That's an automatic. It's an automatic, man. It's all good. This is powerful. What the fuck? Power. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm pretty sure it's a Bel Air. Yo, I gotta go to the grocery store and shit, man.
Take yours.
Yeah, man.
Don't take no shit from it. Steal anything you can carry your
No, I gotta go get dog food and things, man.
If I had a wagon like that, I'd put pounds of bacon and shrimp and everything else in that fucking thing. Oh, it's alright. I pay for it.
Yeah, they check the receipts, man. They check the receipts. Yeah, I'll see you on the way back. Fucking Plymouth. I don't even have the right fucking. Hey, it's a Plymouth. Oh, you know I'm confused. There's a different one over here. Huh? This guy's so fucking.